Welcome to 6510 Allyn Way in Pensacola, Florida. This is a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. It is 1,352 square feet, and we are conveniently located less than a mile and a half to the Cordova Mall as well as the hospital. We are also 1.3 miles from the Pensacola International Airport, so a wonderful location here. I wanted to focus on this oak tree in the front yard. It is absolutely stunning, providing lots of shade here in the front yard. We do have a driveway here suitable for 6 vehicles with a side gate entry to the backyard on the right-hand side. Brick exterior as well as hurricane coverings in this home as well. They are the aluminum corrugated metal, which in my preference are the better of the hurricane coverings. So coming in to the living room, we have original hardwood parquet floors throughout the main living area and bedrooms. Very spacious living area. I believe this might have been a one car at one time, but nonetheless, it's a great addition add-on here. We do have a wood burning fireplace as well. So it makes for a really nice open living space here. Lots of room to spread out. Eating kitchen has tile, as well as we have stainless steel appliances in here, with the dishwasher as well, electric cooktop, and granite countertops in here. New hardware and painted cabinetry as well. All right, I'll take you back into the bedroom before I take you out into the backyard to check that out. So on our right-hand side, we have our first bathroom here. Just gorgeous original tile and tub in here, and flooring as well. Shower tub combo in this bathroom. Just across the way, we have our first bedroom. These parquet hardwood floors would clean up very nicely. I love the original hardwoods in here. Just a wonderful bonus feature. We do have 2 hallway closets for storage. And here we have our second bedroom. Blinds throughout this home as well, and the water heater is gas. Over into our primary bedroom, and we have an ensuite bathroom back here as well. Charming original tile work and a walk-in shower here. All right. So there are 2 entryways to the back door, one through the laundry room / mudroom, and then one right off the kitchen. I will go out one and then come back in the other way so you can see how that kind of flows through. So into our laundry room, we have a ton of additional storage space with these shelves encompassing the entire room. It's an awesome mudroom. You could do some additional storage space over here with a piece of furniture if you needed that, or a wonderful folding table, but lots of room in here. Definitely a bonus. And into the backyard, we have a nice covered patio here. It is, I believe, 17 by 12. Fully fenced backyard with mature trees, nice and shady back here. And we have a yard building as well. There is power out here to the yard building. It measures 12 by 10, so lots of storage space out here. Wanted to give you a peek in here. Nice shady backyard. Love all these mature trees back here. All right, so I'll take you back in through this, the additional door that I told you that leads right from the kitchen / eating area. Let me give you a view of that once I get out of the sun, makes it a little bit easier to see. So again, we are conveniently located less than a mile and a half to Cordova Mall, the hospital, as well as Pensacola International Airport. So you just can't beat this location. So let us know if you have anybody who'd like to see it or you'd like to set up a private showing. Again, this is 6510 Allyn Way, located in Pensacola, Florida.